Hi, guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly set up iOS 27 dynamic wallpaper on your iPhone. Apple has introduced dynamic iOS 27 wallpapers that have a playful contrast of shadow and light that comes to life as it changes with the time of the day. What's more, you can also customize these cool wallpapers with your favorite widgets as well as the color of your choice. So, if you're willing to deck up your home screen or the lock screen with these elegant wallpapers, let's get started. So first you have to bring up the lock screen by swiping down from the top center. Then you have to long press on the screen to bring up the wallpaper gallery. After that, you have to hit the plus button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you have to head over to the iOS 27 section and then choose the desired dynamic wallpaper. Now you can customize the wallpaper using your favorite widgets. To change the style, simply swipe left or right. And to change the color, you just have to swipe to reveal the color button and then choose the preferred color. Then you can use the color slider to perfectly adjust the color intensity. And for a more personalized appearance, you can also change the controls and use the ones that are in line with your preference. In the end, make sure to tap on the add button at the top right. Next up, you can choose to set it up as a wallpaper pair or customize the home screen separately depending on your needs, and that's about it. These dynamic wallpapers have a playful contrast of shadow and light that comes to life as they change with the time of the day. Now that you have unlocked these cool wallpapers, make the most of them to make sure that the home screen and the lock screen of your device always look elegant and eye-catching. And I'll catch you up in the next one.